everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on SIBONGILE and the Dlaminis from the 25th to the 27th of December 2023 on Monday. Vusi threatened to expose Njengaye and Nomfundo's affair to Phetheni. Velepi attempt to escape Zek's shock once again but fails. The helpers are pleased and surprised when Phetheni gives them permission to bring Christmas to their quarters on Tuesday. Njengaye is left in disbelief that his own son won power so badly that he has resorted to blackmail. A worried Asanda tried to check on Velepi, but Peterland Zakes sent her packing. The helpers are excited when they finally receive their gift from Phetheni, but Mavis is not so happy on Wednesday. Tired of the abuse that Zakes held at her, Velepi turns the table on her tormentor. The helpers bask in the afterglow of the festive season, and Nelly's New Year ambitions takes everyone by surprise. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and